We'll practice finding frequency, period, speed, and centripetal acceleration for an object in uniform circular motion. Here's the problem. A ball on a string undergoes uniform circular motion, completing 20 revolutions in 8.0 seconds on a radius of 0.75 meters. Determine the frequency and period, the speed of the ball, and the centripetal acceleration. First, we find the frequency and period. Frequency equals revolutions divided by time, so 20 divided by 8.0 gives 2.5 hertz. Period is the reciprocal of frequency, so 1 divided by 2.5 gives 0.40 seconds. Next, we determine the speed. Speed equals circumference divided by period. Circumference is 2 pi r, so 2 pi times 0.75 is 4.71, divided by 0.40 gives 11.8 meters per second. Finally, we find the centripetal acceleration. Centripetal acceleration equals speed squared divided by radius. 11.8 squared is 139, divided by 0.75 gives 186 meters per second squared. Remember, for uniform circular motion, frequency is revolutions per time, period is the reciprocal, speed is circumference over period, and centripetal acceleration is speed squared over radius.